I have never been so excited to see a trash can. I cannot believe that I freaking walked to Miner's Castle. So this is my favorite place ever in the UP. And you guys see that hole right there? My brother actually swam inside Miner's Castle and he didn't realize it until he popped out of that hole and everyone was looking at him like so amazed. Loads of ferns and poison. Lindsey's going to the bathroom, so I took my pack off, and this is my view. We have about 4.5 more miles until we get to my car, which is probably like 7K or something like that. I don't really know. Math, it's summer, I don't do that stuff.
Not stream number 1. Close. Not there yet.
The top of a waterfall. Not believe we freaking did it. I was never so excited my entire life ever to see my car.
Favorite. Say anything about it?
This is my favorite bridge ever. Metal grating. Lindsey loves this stuff.
Wait, there's a choice to go on non-metal grading and you're choosing the metal grading side? What's wrong with you?
It's in the middle. This one's on the edge, close to the water. Joanne's is down there.
Oh, Marshall's is 4.7 right here.
Okay.
That's pretty high.